They're rolling up the mats here in Evanston, Illinois. We just finished a Big Ten duel match between number 3 Penn State and number 17 Northwestern. Alongside my broadcast partner, Scott Hammer, I'm Stephen Boyle. It was a tough one for the Wildcats, taking on a tough Penn State team. The Wildcats got off to a decent start at 141 pounds, but Colin Schober hurt his leg here. He was leading but unable to finish the match, and Brian Pearsall won by injury default.
After that, it was just a murderer's row for Penn State. As you see, Frank Molinaro, the #1 ranked wrestler in the country at 149 pounds, easily in control against the sophomore Caleb Freedley. Northwestern's lone bright spot, as usual, Jason Welch. You can count on him with a 2-1 win over number 9 Dylan Alton. But then, as we got down into the heavyweights, 184, Quentin Wright, number 2 ranked in the country, finishes off his fall of Marcus Shrewsbury.
And then at heavyweight, Mike McMullen with a close match, but these back points by Cameron Wade would be the difference. Wade defeated McMullen by decision, and Penn State beat Northwestern 39-3. Northwestern's only win, as you mentioned, was Jason Welch. 8 ranked opponents for Penn State, and they looked like a top 5 team tonight.
Sure, yeah, Northwestern looked young in some spots, and they are young, and they're going to have a tough weekend, not only because of tonight, but also heading out to Iowa. But certainly there were plenty of bright spots. You look at the way that Colin Schober wrestled early in the match at 141. You look at the way that Jason Welch wrestled, and also Pierce Harger taking on the #1 ranked wrestler in the country, David Taylor, at 165, wrestled very well.
The Wildcats will try to build on that Sunday against Iowa. For BTN.com, alongside Scott Hammer, I'm Stephen Boyle.